Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove unwanted object from video on Inshot application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project on my Inshot, and for example guys, I'm going to remove this object from my video. First thing first, we can overlay this video with the same video. You can go to the PIP option, and then you can import the same video, this one, and we can click on this button to fit the screen. And after that, we're going to put mask to cover this unwanted object. You can go to the mask option, and I'm gonna go with the circle mask because the result will look more natural if you use the circle mask. Okay, and we can take another part of this video to cover the unwanted object, and I'm going to take this part, guys. Okay, once we're done, we can click on this check mark, then we can drag the mask to cover the unwanted object like this. You can zoom in or zoom out if you need. You can use both of your fingers to zoom in or zoom out. Okay, now it's done, and to make it more natural, I'm going to adjust the lightness and the contrast as well. We can go to the filter option, then just click on adjust, and I'm going to increase the lightness, and for the contrast I'm going to reduce it a little bit. Okay, it's perfect, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove unwanted object from our video using Inshot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.